Welcome to the Traceability Tools Navigator, a platform designed to help you explore and compare digital traceability solutions across supply chains. On the landing page, you'll find a quick introduction to the Navigator, an overview of the 3 tool categories: first mile, downstream, and geospatial tools, and options to learn more about the project, subscribe for updates, or send feedback. To start exploring tools, simply click Discover Tools. This brings you to the main search and filtering page. Here, you can browse all available tools or quickly search if you already have one in mind. The real value of the Navigator lies in the filter framework on the left. Tools can be filtered across several categories, from general tool profiles and regulatory scope to data governance, traceability functions, analytics capabilities, and financial features. For example, if your company is positioned downstream in the supply chain and you're looking for tools that support EUDR compliance, you can apply those filters to instantly narrow the list to relevant solutions. You can also compare up to 4 tools side by side, helping you quickly understand their different capabilities. And if you'd like a deeper look, simply open a tool's detailed profile to explore its features, provider information, and links to learn more. The Traceability Tools Navigator makes it easier to identify the right digital solution for your traceability needs.